Hi, I'm Lisa Rose, founder of Deeper Love, Better Sex, where singles make meaningful connections and couples deepen their love. Recently, I was reflecting on how it was in the beginning of the relationship with my partner. And one of the things in particular that I was remembering is my strategy for building trust with him. And when we meet somebody new, we really don't have a foundation of trust. That's something that builds and grows and develops over time based on the way our exchanges and interactions go. So I was specifically remembering that early on, there were a number of instances where something happened later in the day or into the evening that was very triggering for me. And it'd be close to the time to going to sleep, and I'd have a lot of feelings and I'd be really upset. And that is not an ideal time to go into processing. He'd be really tired. For me, there would be just too much charge in my system to settle down. So we had a number of interactions that were painful and were really emotional. And fortunately, each time in the morning, we were able to have a much more clear-headed conversation, kind of do some debriefing and roll the rewind reel and kind of take a look at what had gone on and what we wanted to do differently in the next time. And it was really a process of getting to know each other. And for me, the way that he showed up with me and the fact that I was able to be really honest and really vulnerable and really transparent went a long way in building trust. At the same time, I realized that that particular strategy, which was kind of a way of testing him, wasn't really the best one I could be using because it was painful and it kind of wore us both down emotionally. So once I caught on to that's what I was doing, I decided I wanted to try something that would be more joyful and build trust in a more pleasurable rather than painful way. So I just had a conversation with him and I acknowledged that that's what I had been doing and it wasn't what I wanted to continue to do. And I let him know a way that he could support me, and we kind of built some structures around what would help us move forward in a different kind of a way. So here's my question for you. Whether you're just getting to know somebody or you're in a more established relationship, are you building trust through testing? Or are you building trust through bringing your vulnerability and your honesty and your clear requests and your appreciation? These are all more pleasure-based ways of building trust. And if you've been doing something that hasn't really been serving you or hasn't really been serving the emotional tenor of the relationship, all you got to do is change it up. And I really recommend just getting real and honest with yourself and then having a conversation with him about what your intention and your decision is moving forward and any way that you can support each other. So think about how that's going for you so far, if it's working. If so, keep doing it. If not, what's a little adjustment you'd like to make? And I'd love to hear your comments or your questions below. Have a beautiful, love-filled day.